Hi everyone! Today we're gonna learn about how to do acid-base titration. First of all, we should know what is an acid-base titration. The acid-base titration is the most common analytical technique of all chemistry. It is used to determine the concentration of a reactant using reaction with the standard solution with a known concentration. This reaction refers to acid-base titration. The materials needed for the titration is the aluminum flask, beakers, the burette, stand and clamp, measuring pipette, volumetric pipette. The pipette tray, bubble bulb, tissue paper, and wash bottle. For the first step, we need to prepare a standard solution. First of all, we need to rinse the burette using a standard solution. You need to check your burette first at the stopcock. It should not too loose or too tight. After that, close the stopcock and hold it lower than your eye level. Transfer the standard solution, 10 milliliters approximately. Rinse the burette. Be careful, don't let the solution come out of the burette. After that, open the stopcock to drain the solution through the tip of the burette. After you rinse the burette already, and then we're gonna free the air bubbles in the burette. First of all, transfer your standard solution and fill the standard solution in the burette. You will see the air bubble at the end of your burette. So we need to free this air bubble by open and close it quickly. In case of still there there are some air bubbles, we just open and gently shake and observe at the tip of the burette. You will see there is no air bubbles anymore. For the next step, we need to adjust the volume in the burette. Fill your standard solution. Your standard solution have to over the zero scale. Adjust the volume in the burette. You need to read the scale at your eye level. And make sure the bottom of the mini cast is on the zero scale. Record the initial volume according to the significant figures. If your burette or your apparatus is the 2 decimal point, you need to add 1 additional decimal point to correct the significant figures. For the next step, we're gonna do the preparation of the sample solution with unknown concentration. First of all, we need to rinse the pipette. Transfer the sample solution, just small amount. And then pipette small amount of the sample solution and rinse. Be careful, the solution might come out at the end of the pipette. After that, drain the sample solution through the tip of the pipette. To pipette the sample solution, transfer the sample solution into another beaker. And then use the pipette. Pipette the sample solution to over the required volume. Wipe the pipette with the tissue paper and then adjust the volume. Hold the pipette at your eye level. Be careful, the tip of the pipette should not touch with the solution. Transfer the solution into the aluminum flask. In case of this pipette, there is no symbol on the pipette, so you need to touch the tip of the pipette to the surface of the aluminum flask and make sure move your tip to another space of the aluminum flask. In case of the pipette with the symbol of this arrow, you need to use the bubble bulb to blow all the solution come out from the pipette. Add 2 or 3 drops of indicator. After this, you're gonna get the sample solution. And for now, we are ready to titrate. The solution in the build rate is the standard solution, and the solution in the Erlenmeyer flask is the sample solution. To titrate, one hand you need to hold the build rate, and another hand hold the Erlenmeyer flask. You need to swirl the flask all the time and gently open the stopcock drop by drop. You will see the color of indicator appears and then disappears. And in case of some drop of the solution at the wall of the Erlenmeyer flask, you need to use the wash bottle to wash all of the standard solution to the bottle of the Erlenmeyer flask. Keep in mind, you need to hold the stopcock all the time. In case of some accident, you need to close it immediately. After you titrate for a while, the solution will show your color of indicator as a light pink, and you will observe that the pink of the indicator will disappear slower, so you need just a half drop of the standard solution. After you get the half drop at the tip of the build rate, you touch the tip of the build rate to the wall of the Erlenmeyer flask and then wash with the wash bottle. And now you will see the light pink color of the sample solution. And then you need to record the volume is used to titrate. Keep in your mind, to record the volume is used for the titration, you need to record the volume at your eye level. For this sample solution, you will see this one is show the light pink of the endpoint of the sample solution. This means the reaction is reached to endpoint. But another one, it show the very dark pink. This means this reaction is over to the endpoint. Today, I hope this video will help you.